Hi.
Who are you?
I'm Linda. I came from Italy. I'm in Buenos Aires since the start of March, and I'm going to be here forever, I think.
What are you doing? What's happening right now?
Okay, we are making pasta. So pasta. This is going to be alpha kilo. Okay, so I need alpha kilo of flour. Even if it's not alpha kilo, it's a little more. Who cares? It's fine either way. Here we have 1 egg every 100 grams of flour. Flour with no yeast. Straight like that. So the pasta needs to be yellow at the end. If you see that it's like this, since I don't use measurement, could be that I have more flour than what I expected, so I have 4 eggs more than what I was supposed to have, so yeah, 1 more.
So if you need to add more eggs, that's okay.
Yeah, it's just because I don't measurement, like I don't use anything to measure. Like I came from Ferrara. Ferrara is like in the triangle of pasta. That is this kind of pasta, it's egg pasta. It's Modena, Ferrara, Bologna, and if you go there and you say that you put salt in the pasta, they're going to throw you spaghetti. Because for us, spaghetti is not pasta. This is pasta, not spaghetti, not penne, not rigatoni, this. So to make pasta, as pizza, as whatever, you need to like grab one edge, push it down, turn it up, and do it on the other side. When you're good enough, you can do it with just one hand. Push it down, turn it up like a little stretchy, fold it, and the other side. So like that, we don't have layers, you see? If I push it, I don't have layers.
How long do you have to, is this just kneading?
It's until it's right. So it's very hard. It needs to be stretchy, but it doesn't need to stick. It cannot stick. If it's thick, it's not ready. You need to keep pushing. And you see, there's no layers except from here, that if I push down and I stir it up, there's no layer. That means that it's not too dry and the right consistency. Do you know the right consistency? You push it into your hand, it falls. It's fine.
Do that again?
Pushing through your hands, and then
If it falls.
yeah, it's fine.
Okay.
Otherwise, you're doing something wrong. There's too many eggs. There's too little of flours. Okay. What we are going to do is divide it. Something like this. Put it inside. And it's all like right. Because you need to work with the machine. So when it comes out, the first time is like this. You fold it again, fold it, put it. Yeah. Second time, batter still not perfect.
So what are you looking for right now in the pasta, basically?
So we're looking for the right consistency. It's going to be soft, it's going to be natural, like we don't need to force it through the machine, you see? And probably no holes. You just need to do the first time in the level 1 a lot of time, and then it's going to be fun. Now I'm cutting the size and number 5, and then I'm going to do this. It's going to be like so big, this. Normally when you do the pasta, there are 2 people. One take it like this, so it doesn't have holes and stuff. The other one take it from like down.
pretty good. So to someone who's watching this video right now and they don't know anything about Italy,
Yeah.
what's something that would like shock them or something they just wouldn't know about Italy?
Wouldn't know?
Yeah.
That's a good. Actually, that's a very good question because I think that
That's why I asked it.
a lot of stereotypes are true.
Like what?
Like mafia and
The mafia?
the mafia is true. It's true.
Are you part of the mafia?
I'm not, but in my city there's a
Are you
big
paid
community.
to tell us that you weren't part of the mafia, but you're actually part of the mafia?
No,
Are you part of the pasta mafia?
No, I'm not part of any mafia, but it's a stereotype. But there's so much more. Like, I know people from the mafia, so it's like, it's not that I will say, oh, I don't know people from the mafia. It's fake. I know for people from the mafia. I know it's true.
What is someone like in the mafia? How are they different from like a regular person who's not in the mafia?
They are not. That's the point.
So they're not different, so you couldn't tell.
You couldn't tell.
Therefore, you could
that's
be
the
in
point.
the mafia and
Yeah.
you're just faking it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Ready for the pasta to come out?
Do you want me to hold some of it or no?
No, it's going to look like this.
Oh.
Here.
And that's it.
Yeah.
It's easy.
Yeah.
At least you make it look easy.
Yeah.
At least you make it look easy.
It's easy. And then another one, and then we go through it together, like that. You can grab the pasta, you grab it, and then just keep on this.
You want me to grab this?
Yeah.
Thing?
In the way.
Oh, sorry.
Yep, here you go.
That's the pasta. Wow.